Good evening, everybody. It's Cynthia from Cynthia's Creations. How are you? I'm coming to you tonight real quick. I want to show you, I make the Diva Wreaths, and you have to attach them to something sturdy when you put them on your wreath form. So I found a shortcut versus the glue. You're going to like this. But here are the wreaths that I'm speaking about. Okay, you see those? Now, I have a shortcut for you. I went in the craft store the other day and I went looking for poster board. Guess what they had? They had adhesive poster board. Who knew? I didn't. You guys may have known, but I didn't. But I'm going to show you how you can really set yourself up real nice. Put a lot of them down, get them cut out, and all you have to do is make your wreath form and attach them to it. So here we go. So here is the poster board. It's poster board on one side, and there's an adhesive sticker on the other side. So what you're going to do is you're going to already have your silhouettes cut out, and you're going to place them down because you want to maximize this board. So you want to play around with them to make sure you can get a lot of them on at one time. So let's see. On this board, as you can see, I can get 4 of these ladies down on one side. I can get 4 of her down. So I should be able to get a total of 8 on this board. Do I have 4 more? I have 3 more. Let's see where this is going to go. 2. And it's not going to work that way. Okay, let's try this way. It's not going to work this way, so we're going to rearrange one of these. I'm going to put her over here. Bring her to the edge. Bring her there. Bring her there. Bring her there. And we're going to put her there. And let's try this way. Okay, now I'm going to show you how this works. Since we laid them down, we know they're going to fit. And you want your adhesive to stick. So you want to, what you want to do is place one at a time. Place one at a time. It's pretty sticky too. Place one at a time. This is thicker than that. Your typical poster board. This is really thick. If you want to know where I purchased this, leave me a comment. Like this video. And look forward to more information, more useful tips. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Hit the button. And the way I'm gonna cut these out, I'm gonna use the X-Acto knife. I'm gonna be using the X-Acto knife to cut these out. I was looking for a better way to do these, an easier way besides gluing them down with the Mod Podge. Okay, so she glues this way. So basically, if you're using the same size photo all of the time, you'll know exactly how many of these you have to purchase from the store. And those of you that may not know, this on my Facebook channel. Facebook channel has changed. The name of the Facebook channel is now Diva Wreath Decor, D-E-C-O-R, and that's the Facebook group. So if you have some things to share with us, go over there and post. Have any tips? I will share this video on the Facebook group as well. Okay, now how do we have her? She is going to be there she is. There she is. And you can decorate them. You can do their makeup while they're on this board. You may waste your glitter though, because this is really sticky. And when you shake it off, it's not going to shake off. It's going to stick right to this board. So we're almost done, guys. This was just a short video to show you how you can adhere your silhouettes. Instead of doing one at a time, you can do 8 at a time and have them already prepped up. Prep is key. Prep is key. Now this little lady. Now we're just going to use her face. There we go. She's going to be slanted. So all we want to really make sure is that, well, for me, I just use this lady here. I only use her face. I don't even use her neck when I do my wreaths. And come back tomorrow, we'll do a wreath. Come back tomorrow, have your silhouette cut out. Have your 8, 10, or 14-inch wreath frame, and have your mesh and your flowers or whatever you're gonna put on her hair, and we can do one together.
Hey ladies, what's going on? Nowadays, kids don't talk to you at all. They all want to be left alone. I'm trying to make you feel like you were truly in your own house. No way.
Here we go, guys. So actually, for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. That's the end of this video. We were able to get 7 faces on this board. Again, stay tuned for more content. Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And go over to Facebook to Diva Wreath Decor. Ta-ta for now.